So, good morning, Mr. Michael. Um, can you please state your full name and age for the interview po?
My name is Michael James Yan, and I'm 24 years old.
Okay po. What degree or course did you complete po?
BS Computer Engineering.
Okay. What university or college did you graduate from po?
Graduated at National University Fairview.
Wow. Okay, and for the last question po for the introduction, can you tell us about your work and experience po?
My experience right now, I'm working as a DevOps platform engineer at Trend Micro. Isa siyang cybersecurity company. So my role is mostly is technical support and handling malware cases paminsan-minsan. Ayun.
Okay po. Now, tapos na po tayo sa introduction. Punta naman po tayo sa may highlight of the interview.
Good afternoon po. For my question is, do you consider your job as a profession, mission, or vocation?
Ano siya? Profession, syempre. So, because my role is to help yung mga technical concerns, and sometimes we also receive malware concerns, which is like viruses, ganun. So ayun.
Next naman po is, what is the advice that you can give to some students who will take computer engineering as their program po sa college?
My advice, well, siguro more on be prepared, kasi when like lalo sa mga bata ngayon, so yun, lalo sa mga bata ngayon, pag nakakarinig sila ng engineering na word sa mga programs, ang unang pumapasok sa isip na is yung mga math. So, pag sinabing engineering, well, di natin maiwasan na madami talagang math, pero depende sa programs. Sa computer engineering naman, madami din siyang math, pero compared sa other programs, masasabi ko lang is mas onte compared sa ibang programs talaga. Pero like, for the first 2 years, yung first year and second year mo, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan yung mga math like calculus, physics, yung mga ganun. Pero pagdating naman sa third and fourth year, more on sa NU, more on na siya, hands-on experience. So dun ka na dun mo talaga i-apply mga programming skills mo, mga hardware skills, like yung mga electronics. So, pag computer engineering naman, malawak kasi yung cover ng computer engineering. Kasi, parang siyang pinaghalong computer science, IT, tsaka electronics engineering. So, ayun, parang kami nasa gitna ng mga yun. Meron kaming hardware and softwares. So, ayun, enjoyin lang yung mga gusto mag-take ng computer engineering, parang enjoy nyo na lang siguro, kasi naka-enjoy naman siya in the long run. Ayun.
Next naman po is, would you recommend this program to the students to pursue this career path?
Para sa mga hiligs nila ay hardware and software, like computer programming or mga computer hardware, computer parts, I highly recommend computer engineering, kasi ayun, parang like lalo ngayon kasi 'di ba, like AI is trending ngayon, mga AIs. So meron kasing sa computer engineering na parang sakop din niya yung mga ganun fields like AI, robotics, electronics, yun sakop niya lahat. So pag mga tsaka in terms of career, very in demand din ang mga computer engineering or computer related na programs. Ayun.
For our last question po, as a computer engineer, what do you think are the pros and cons of your
Ayun. So, ayun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, in terms of career, very in demand ang computer engineers or mga computer-related na programs, mga IT fields in short. So, sa Philippines, ang masasabi ko lang is, very in demand siya, pero pagdating sa ibang bansa, mas super in demand compared sa atin. Tsaka, syempre, yung sahod na din. Pagka sinabi natin ditong mga computer-related na course dito sa atin, yung mga sahod is okay lang. Pero pagdating naman sa ibang bansa, parang times 2, times 3, kahit entry level lang na tech-related na fields. So, ayun. Pero maganda kumuha ng experience dito. Ewan ko. Para sa akin, for me.
Okay, so tapos na po yung highlight of the interview and yun na rin po yung last question namin. So as a formality po, meron po kaming i-present na certificate of appreciation. Parang certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Michael James Yan, presented in recognition of your meaningful involvement and unwavering support in advancing science, technology, and society, promoting awareness of careers in science and technology, improving innovation, and empowering individuals to shape a better and more sustainable future. Given this 9th day of February 2026 at the Chinese General Hospital Colleges of Manila, Philippines. Yun lang po. Thank you so much!